No, the mailbox.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes, you idiot.
Oh.
Do you want to know how to survive a zombie apocalypse?
Why, yes. This has been on my mind for years.
Well, let's go!
Now?
No, tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes, now.
Oh, okay.
First, you must be stocked up on plenty of food.
Well, I'm good with that. Yep, all good.
Next, you need to be stocked up on plenty of ammo.
Don't worry. Got my cap gun.
Okay then. Now you must know how to run.
Oh, like this?
The beat. The beat.
Now you must learn how to run quietly.
Oh, like this?
Now you must learn how to survive a zombie attack.
How do I do that?
You just use your gun, basically.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
that's it.
I guess I'm ready to go into the world now?
Yeah, the door's that way.
Alright.
Alright, see you later, man.
Zombie!
Oh god.
Oh god. My whole life is flashing before my eyes.
I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dream. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we
well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a winner. Well, a bird, bird, bird.